Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now it's our favorite time. What time is that? It's games time. And our first game of the year. Way! Now we're going to play the game, which is called Guess the Celebrity. Now, celebrity, I was gonna say. We will try to guess who a celebrity is after seeing a childhood photo of that celebrity. You ready? All right, here we go. The first photo. Oh, I know her.
That's Queen.
I know her.
That's
Queen Latifah. We said it at the same time.
No, you said I know her.
I know her. It's Queen Latifah. I said it.
No, you just said I know her. That's not her name. My name is Queen Latifah.
I know her. It's Queen Latifah. Whatever. You say it's Queen. It's not Queen. Her name is Latifah. I got it. Next. I know her too. I was gonna say it's Meghan Markle. I was gonna say Cardi B, but then I was like, oh no, Meghan Markle. Oh, you didn't know, did you? You didn't know nothing.
That what?
It was Meghan Markle. Next.
You know her from Suits.
Lies. That's true though. I know her.
Missy
It's
Elliott.
Missy Elliott.
I said
Stop,
it before
no,
you.
I said it.
I said it before you.
Whatever.
Yeah.
I think I got that one too.
No,
Christine, don't cheat this year.
Hey,
2024, Christine, don't cheat.
That's right on, yeah, man. That's right on everything.
Just
lad.
cheat.
That's right.
What's his name? That's it? I know him.
Oh,
It's
Charlie.
that guy.
It's Charlie.
The guy from Ozarks. The guy.
Oh,
you know?
No. This is not Charlie.
You know who I'm talking
This is
about?
not Charlie Sheen.
It's the Ozarks guy.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody help me. His name? Come on.
Is that I can see his face,
Come
but I can't.
on, Ozarks guy. You can't see
remember.
his face. You can't.
Yes.
It's none of them.
Yes.
It's George Lopez.
Yes.
You didn't know nothing.
I'm telling you, I couldn't remember.
Yes, I can see his face. You lie. I can see his face.
Yeah, but you can't.
So
you
can
can
we
see.
all see his face?
No, I mean older. I just don't remember his name.
That was a weird picture. Ooh.
No, this.
Ooh, that's a whole howl. I'm gonna say somebody like a Malcolm X or a old picture or a
I know that's not
Marvin Gaye.
No. Peebo. I don't know.
We don't know. We're trying. Who is it?
Who is it?
Marvin Gaye. Ooh. His
Smokey.
eyes never look good. Smokey Robinson. I was not even close. I had no idea who he is.
I must say Peebo.
Peebo? Who's
Peebo
okay.
Bryson.
Okay, Peebo Bryson I know.
But him I don't know the color there again. That's Sprague this? Yeah, Sprague.
like-
It almost look like him too in that picture.
I would say he's fine, Sprague. Go. Yes, sir. Handsome man.
Red square.
Next. Oh, Taraji.
Taraji Feisty.
Look at those eyes, man. She's always smizing. Oh,
Yeah, Jamie.
Foxx. I said the
Ja-
whole thing. You never said
No,
it.
you said
I said the
oh.
whole name.
You said
Oh,
me.
Jamie Foxx. He's like, oh, Jamie. That's what you said.
Who said OJ?
Oh, Jamie was not good. That's what you said. Oh, Jamie.
All right, cool.
And I said Jamie Foxx.
All right, cool.
Oh, wow. You see when I look at the screen? This looks like someone I know.
That's not John Travolta. No, that's not Johnny T.
Arnold Schwarzenegger? No, Arnie?
No, that's not Arnold.
All right, who is it?
We don't know. We don't know. Who's that? Oh,
It looked like him, it looked like him, but he wasn't in my head.
million cars. What's his favorite car to collect again?
The B movie. That's all I know. Next.
The movie?
Yeah.
Seinfeld.
Look at us both like trying to look at the screen. I'm gonna say Keith Sweat.
No, it's not.
I don't know. 50 Cent.
No.
Peebo Bryson. LL Cool J.
No. Is there... Oh, my God, from Questlove, yeah.
No clue.
Quest.
In fact, Quest.
Quest.
Even looking at him now, I'm like, is that Questlove?
Yeah, the drummer.
Yeah. Nope.
You know?
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't think I could. Oh
Is this Betty White?
no. No. It's right here. No, Clive.
That's not Betty.
It's not Betty White. It's on the tip of my tongue.
Oh,
Dolly
Dolly.
Parton. I was
First
like,
dolly that, you know.
of course.
That's the first dolly that.
Listen, saw her in concert looking amazing recently. All right, next.
No, it's the last one.
Oh, that's the last one. So I won,
Yeah.
right? It's not for all. I won. They're saying it's for all. It's not a tie. I answered more than you. I got all the ones that you got, and then I got stuff that you didn't know. Right? I got all of his, and I got stuff he didn't know.
Nisha studied.
And Mega Mark is like,
Nisha studied. Fly away, Peter, fly away, boy. Two little blackbirds to the world. One name Peter, one name. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird.
you know what?
What two things have no thumbs? Hands with 4 fingers.
Daytime, I'll be right back with a throwback video from the Fugees.
Oh, God.